Okay, so I started putting tools in the roll-up tool bag and it kind of got a little out of hand, but that's great. This is what we're left with. This is everything. Just to give you a little idea here of how compact this is, here is a tube of lap sealant. Yeah, it's awesome. So let's see what I was able to cram in this bag, shall we? I love how these clips are just so easy to undo. Everything's Velcroed. It's amazing. So here's our pouches again. Let's see what we have in the small one. In this small one here, top zipper, my ODB reader, electric tape measure, an array of marking tools. Now, it kind of got a little out of hand here, but I want to show you what you're able to put in this bag. In this bag, here's a staple gun. And not just the staple gun, but 2 boxes of staples. And notice, I'm not even struggling to put this back in here. On this one, wrenches, pliers, and in our last pouch, vice grips, C-clamps. Look at this. Now, let's flip to the back side. What do you think of that? This is one of those longer screwdrivers too. Really neat because you can change the tips out. That fit right in there. Almost like it was made for it. Now also take note, when you flip this over, nothing spills out. Nothing spills out. And when you're done, we're just going to clamp that together. Put our handle back on. Everything is wonderful. And away you go.